Here we have a pair of white Aniline calf shoes. The way we care for these is just with neutral polish. All you do is you put your neutral polish on them. And buff them up. Now if you get any little marks, you get little marks on these, like if you got your kick your upper. The best tip to get any little marks off is surgical spirits. Just put a little bit on your cloth and rub, but don't rub too hard. And then just buff it up. And there you go, all gone. Also, got some blooming. It's a white residue. It comes on when your upper gets cold, temperature drops. There's no problem because it will come off again. But just a little bit of polish. Don't be afraid to rub it in because you need a bit of elbow grease for this bit. And then as you look, it will look brand new again and ready to wear.